everyone, and welcome back to another First Taste with Hope. We are doing another back to school episode today where I will be showing you an easy, quick smoothie for those of you who are in the spirit still of summer. It is a watermelon smoothie. It's got a couple ingredients, a few ingredients I should say, and that is it. So we're gonna do this in a NutriBullet and let's get started. Okay, so what you're gonna need is watermelon, frozen or fresh strawberries. I have a serving, so that's 7 strawberries if you were unaware. Yogurt, and it said flax seeds. I'm gonna use a couple chia seeds. I think that's how it's pronounced. Chia seeds, not too sure. It's chia seeds. Okay, then we're gonna use a few of those and mix that on in. So let's get on this ball. It didn't give us estimates again, so we're just gonna kind of round it out. I'm gonna put these seeds in first. Get that on the bottom. So these are the Good and Gather. You can see they're from Target. Not too fancy there. I mean, unless you consider Target that fancy. All right.
Target's pretty fancy. Let's not kid ourselves.
We're gonna drop those on the bottom there. Oh, sorry. Maybe I should have this more closer to you.
The viewers.
I know. Boom. Got it going. All right, then I'm going to drop in, I'll do the watermelon first. We're gonna get a little bit of that in there, so boom. And as you can see over here, there's a max fill, so you can't go above that. So you gotta make sure that you're within that. So we're gonna put in a little bit of that watermelon, get that looking all good and everything. Looks pretty good. I'm gonna add the strawberries in. It's probably gonna look like it's going past the limit, which it might be. But that's all right. We're just gonna break the rules a little bit. Hopefully everything will be okay. Okay, it's not too far past the line. If it is, yeah, it is. Okay. Well, we're gonna add in some yogurt too. It's either gonna be a mess and we'll get it for the YouTube to go viral, or it's gonna be normal. That's
Right.
That was gonna be. So we got some Chobani yogurt. Y'all know that's my favorite. All right, we're just gonna give it some good scoops in here because we need it to be creamy. Oops. Sorry. I think that got on your backpack. I think it got on your backpack.
Oh, just a little bit, you know. That's fine.
I'm sorry.
Oh, my hands.
I'm so sorry.
The gloves have been revealed. They're not mine. My hands were cold. Shut up.
I think this looks pretty good. What do you think?
Why don't you just drink it like
that? We're gonna try this out and see if this works. Maybe, I think what I could have done a little differently though is I could have probably put some yogurt in the crevices. Could have probably done that, but we didn't.
It's a learning process.
All right. I'm trying not to break the NutriBullet like I broke the blender. Wow. Look at that.
That is quite the smoothie.
That turned pretty quickly. It went from like chunks to boom. Smoothie. Badunk-a-dunk.
Chunks to dunks.
And I'm trying to make this little mini smoothie as well. So let's see if we did this differently. So this one.
Portions in one, people. Oh, wait, the yogurt first.
Yeah, I'm gonna put some yogurt. Oh, I don't have strawberries there for this one. Oops.
Oh, this will just be watermelon.
Yeah. Should I put some banana in it or something?
Ooh, yeah.
Or I could put some pineapple in it. What do you think? Pineapple?
Pineapple and watermelon?
Pineapple or banana? That looks different. All right, these do look different in comparison. This one has the strawberry. This one has the pineapple. This one's a little bit lighter in color. This is the one that I'm really excited for. This one will probably like better.
It smells good.
That one does smell like pineapple. That one does smell like watermelon. Ooh, I don't know.
It tastes healthy.
Tastes very healthy.
Not for you?
I don't know if watermelon's good for a smoothie. I think that might be my opinion. Like, I like the strawberry, I like the yogurt. The seeds don't even really taste anything. It's the watermelon part, I'm not sure if I'm a fan of that with the yogurt. I don't think it's bad. I would drink it, definitely. It's definitely on the healthier side. But if you're not that big of a fan of watermelon to begin with, you probably won't like this. But I think it's definitely something you could try out if you're on the healthy side. If you're on the healthy side of things, you just want to try some healthy stuff out. Back to school wise anyway, this is a good on the go thing. So if you want to give it a go on your way to school, this might be a good go to. And it's, like I said, it's not bad. It's just, it's a little bit too much watermelon for the yogurt, I feel. Yeah. But thank you so much for coming to watch this back to school video. Make sure to subscribe, like this video, give us a comment on what you think if you do try this out. Are you a big fan of watermelon or are you not? I love yogurt and I love strawberries, but I'm not too sure about how I feel with watermelon with yogurt. I just don't know if that's a good mix or not, but this could be a good one that's on the go. But again, if you don't really like watermelon that good, probably just pass it. But I will see you guys next time on another video. Bye everyone.